Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a new daily deals feature in Grow a Garden that will help you to get rare seed faster. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have already joined Grow a Garden game of Roblox, and then I'm going to show you the new daily deals feature. You can go to the seed shop, and then here you will see daily deals menu. Okay, and as you can see guys, that we can get rare seed faster. And for example, here we can get cocoa mango seed and also the avocado seed from the summer update, and cauliflower seed and the rufflesia seed, and you can buy it from here, and it will be resetted after 24 hours if I'm not mistaken. So the new deals will come after 24 hours. And yeah, here you can get the cocoa mango seed. Okay, and this is a cool feature guys, because we can get the rare seed faster than before. For example, this cocoa mango seed and then the avocado seed. And if you want to restock, you need to use your Robux. Okay guys, and that's all the new daily deals feature in Grow a Garden game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!